1 and 2 hitters for the Rockers here in the 5th as they trail by a pair. Aiden Brewer, the shortstop, will lead things off against the new righty out of the bullpen, Jalen Miller. First pitch fastball misses inside for ball 1. So you can close the book on the lefty Blanchard. He goes 4 innings, gives up no runs on 2 hits, 3 walks, and 5 strikeouts. Notched his 300th career strikeout in his professional career. Got a Klinsky swinging back in the 3rd to notch number 300. Miller, who started the season in the bullpen, became a starter for quite a while. This one on the ground, Dexter up the middle, spins a throw on to first in time for out number 1. What a play by Sam Dexter up the middle, saving a leadoff hit.
Now batting right fielder number 10, Luis Gonzalez.
Well, as I was saying, Miller moved into that starting role partway through the year. He would go on to make 11 starts and did a fine job, but moved back into the bullpen. And again, if you've tuned in before, we talk about his fastball all the time. That's his pitch to get a lot of weak contact. Almost against the grain perhaps, but with the fastball, he's got so much rise on it that a lot of opposing hitters tend to get underneath the pitch and pop it up on the infield. We've seen loads of those in our fair share of Jalen Miller's start days, as Gonzalez rolls one foul. This is appearance number 29 for Miller. Last pitched on the 6th at Gastonia. Pitched twice against High Point on the 3rd and the 4th. 3 total innings, no runs, a hit, and 3 walks. The 0-2 popped up to the left side, heading for the seats. And it reaches just about halfway up the furthest section, equal to the Crabs dugout. No balls and 2 strikes here on Gonzalez, who's 1 for 2. Base hit back in the 1st before grounding out in the 3rd inning. That one gets a piece. In and out of the glove there of Lynn. And again, this is what High Point has done so well. This is exactly what they've done to knock Blanchard out of the game early, is just fouling pitches off. They have not gone down easy. They've worked 3 walks. Their only 2 hits were both fairly soft contact as well. The 0-2. Little high. An 8-6 record for Miller, a 4.51 ERA, 87 strikeouts in 83 2/3 innings. And a clock violation called here. 2 balls and 2 strikes as Miller took too long, so a ball will be added to the count. 2-2. Got him swinging. Blows the fastball by him for his first strikeout, as Gonzalez is set down here in the 5th. Strikeout number 6 for Blue Crabs pitching tonight, and good to see Miller able to locate that fastball there. And really for Miller, that is what it comes down to, is just his command. There were a couple of starts that he had where the fastball just would not work, and other days where the command wasn't there. Popped up to the left side into foul territory. Barrera makes the catch, and Miller comes into this ball game and gets a 1-2-3 inning